Mike with Superbeat, and this is the TB-1929A. This tool can be used to first take out press-fit bottom brackets, and it can also be used to take out smaller sized headset cups like in a balance bike or a children's bicycle. Okay, let's start by removing the drive side bearings. So you're going to take your tool and insert it. And then I like to use a mallet. This TB-1100 works really well. And I just carefully tap it in place. That sound lets you know that the tool is properly seated into the bearings. All right, next we're going to use our mallet and carefully tap the bearings out. All right, now it's time to remove the non-drive side bearings. Again, we're going to carefully tap in the tool. Listening for that sound. Okay, I'm going to turn the bike. And then all right, there we go. Your BB has now been removed. The TB-1929A is also useful for removing the cups in smaller diameter headsets like this balance bike. Again, you just tap it in place, listening for the sound. Okay, and then carefully pull it out. The procedure is the same for the upper cup. Again, carefully inserting the tool, and there we go. All right, the headset is now removed. So if you're a home mechanic or a shop mechanic, the TB-1929A is a handy little tool for both bottom bracket and head cup removal.